A logo is Brother's definition of a pre-designed word. There are many to choose from in the machine. To load one, you will need to start by turning your machine on, pressing the home key and then tapping the OK button. Then tap the pattern icon, followed by the logo icon. Then choose a word that you would like to load onto your cutting mat. With logos, the aspect ratio lock is permanently switched on, meaning that although you will be able to change the height or width, its corresponding height or width will change automatically as well.